School versus learning, the system that forgot to teach thinking. For over a century, schools taught students what to think, but the 21st century demands we learn how to think. The old system was designed to produce workers for factories. Today, we need thinkers for a chaotic, creative world. In the Industrial Revolution, education copied factory logic, bells, schedules, standardization. The goal wasn't wisdom, it was efficiency. Fast forward to now, we've got iPads instead of chalkboards, but the mindset hasn't evolved. We teach kids to memorize for tests, not to question reality. That's why creativity feels like rebellion, not intelligence. Our system kills curiosity and rewards obedience. But things are changing. Gen Z learns from podcasts, online creators, and failure. Real learning is messy, non-linear, self-driven. It happens when you chase meaning, not marks. When you study people, not just papers. The future belongs to those who can learn faster than the world changes. So don't just collect certificates, collect insight. Don't just graduate, evolve.